How to assemble a MINOP instrument. The first part is to assemble the shaft of the instrument. There are three distinct components of the shaft. The first is the outer tube, which is distinguished by the black arrow. The black arrow must always point towards the handle or away from the jaw insert. The second component of the shaft is the inner tube. The inner tube is distinguished by the slots at the distal end of the tube. And the third component of the shaft is the working insert. This is distinguished by the jaw insert of the instrument. Please be careful when you're working with the scissors as they are sharp. The first step to assembling the shaft is to place the jaw insert into the inner tube. Slide this all the way down. There are two knobs that actually need to go into the slots of the inner tube. This is done by visual inspection as well as by simply applying a very minimal amount of force and rotating until they're fully slotted into the inner tube. The watch out on this is if you apply too much force, you can push over the knobs and it will look like it is fully seated when it is actually misaligned. But when you function test the device at the end of the assembly, it will not work properly. The final portion of the assembly for the shaft is to put the outer tube over the inner tube and the jaw insert. Remember the arrow facing towards the handle. Push this all the way to the end of the jaw insert. The next step is to put the shaft in the handle of the instrument. The first part is to press and hold the black button and pull down the movable ring portion of the handle. Take the shaft and put it into the star wheel. Finally, pull back the star wheel and hold the distal end of the instrument, not letting the outer tube slide at all, and push it as far as you can through the star wheel. The final step is to push the black button and push up on the movable ring portion of the handle until you see the handle connect with the ball at the proximal end of the shaft. You should hear a small clicking noise. Please perform a function test of the instrument. Rotate as well. This instrument is fully assembled. Please follow the instructions for use for further information on cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization. Thank you.